Here I have 3 Malawi agate nodules, and there's not really any bands on the outside, but I'm going to cut all of them open, and we'll see what's hiding on the inside.
Oh, wow.
That's got some really, really beautiful details in it. I thought this one was going to be the dud. Wow. It's got another one.
Woo! Oh, man.
Such great colors in that. That is so unique. Oh my gosh. Oh, we'll take another look at that in a second. One more cut. Well, this last one cut, and I'm not even kidding, like 2 seconds. Yeah, it's it's a it's a geode. Oh, it's got some calcite in there. Man, that's actually pretty sweet. That calcite. I wish it wasn't in there, but you can see those crystal pockets in there. Man, this thing cut so quick. I was like, it's nothing. Well, that's a cool little bonus that it actually is something. This one, the coloring on that and the bands and everything about it is so different. I don't know if I've ever seen one like this with these Malawi agates. That is so pretty. And it's got black in there. Are you kidding me? And that first one, I thought it was just going to be clear. And it's got some beautiful bands, beautiful depth, awesome moss. So cool. Let me know which one's your favorite. I'm a tie between these ones, and it's always fun getting the geode nodules. Not too bad.